everybody, it is Davis Scoots here, and if you want to learn any of those spins you just saw, then just continue watching this video. I'll teach you how to do all three very simply. Anybody can learn them. They're very beginner lightsaber spins. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to leave a like and subscribe. The first one I'm going to teach you is called side spin. Pretty simple spin. I call it side spin because, well, you're spinning on the side. Anyway, what you're going to do is you're going to grab anywhere on your lightsaber. It really doesn't matter. You can do it on the bottom. You can do it on the top. Just wherever you feel comfortable. Hold your index finger and your thumb are the only two that are going to be grabbing it because you're just going to let it drop. And then your hand should be like this. So again, holding it with your index finger and your thumb, you're going to push kind of with your thumb and just let it drop to the point where your hand rolls over. And then you're going to put pressure with your thumb on the blade, hilt, on the hilt right here so that it turns it back up into your hand. So a little bit faster, that just looks like drop, push, and it comes right back up. It's just all in your thumb. You can see my hand is mainly open throughout the entire thing. You don't even need to close your hand. It just really helps for going fast to keep the blade stable. But yeah, so that's the first spin. Hope that was easy to understand. Here it is, full speed, range form. Just a simple side spin. It's basically what you need to learn to be able to start doing other spins incorporated into it. Now, the second spin is basically the same thing, except you're gonna drop it, and when you bring it up, you're gonna bring it up and then down to the other side. Now, when you get to this other side, you don't necessarily have to use your thumb. I do. I open my hand and then I just push my thumb against the emitter. When it comes up, you go up and down to the other side, and then you just repeat. Pretty simple. It's basically the same spin, except you just go to the sides. If you know how to do this, you can do this. It's just a matter of practice. So again, that is drop the lightsaber, so your hand is flat. Push onto the bottom side of the hilt, which is going to make it come up, but instead of bringing it back down to your side, you bring it to the other side, and then repeat the same process. You're gonna kind of need to turn your wrist here so that the back of your hand is looking straight at you. That's gonna make your thumb go right underneath the emitter, which is exactly where it needs to bring it back up and around. Now faster. Honestly, I think that's one of the coolest looking spins. Could be argued this is the easiest or the hardest spin of them, but it's the backhand spin. Shout out to Sokatano. Okay, so the last spin I have to show you is the backhand spin. Pretty simple, probably actually easier than the others because in reality, all you're doing is you're taking your lightsaber, you're gonna hold it straight out, point it up a little bit, and then bring it down. Then you bring your hand back so it's upside down, point your lightsaber up a little bit, and then bring it down. It's really more of just a fluid motion of just you bringing your hand up and then down, and then up and then down, and then up and then down. It has the least to do with your fingers, I'd say. Yeah, you really, basically the whole time you're using maybe your pinky finger, your pointer finger, and your thumb. These two fingers are useless except for just making it stop. Now that I've shown you how to do each one, I'm going to show you a little demo of how they go together. That'll conclude our demo. But let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, more tutorials, lightsaber spins, anything like that. And let me know what else you guys want to see on this channel. But that's going to be all for today. This is Davis Scoots. Have a good one.